Papanoorin natin ang Her Story video ni Rochelle Hoco from Occidental Mindoro in partnership with Gel Life for Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
Cross, crowd, and crown. Capture my inspiring story. I carried my cross in life. At the age of 13, naranasan ko magbenta ng mais, sumama sa mga catering services, at sumali sa mga local pageants para masuportahan ang aking pamilya at ang aking pag-aaral. And I thank God I carried my own cross through my hard work and perseverance. And now that I have more than 1 million followers on social media, my goal is to inspire my crowd.
Love that.
Mula sa pagbangon ko sa kahirapan, hanggang sa pakikipagsapalaran ko sa ibang bansa as an OFW. I always make myself relevant to my crowd, using blogging as a platform. The 168 local pageants I joined have not only given me crowns, but have been instrumental to who I am today. As I have carried successfully many crosses, and now that I have the opportunity to influence my crowd, I am ready to wear in my head and in my heart the Miss Universe Philippines crown.
Go. Isa to sa mga story na sobrang hinahangaan ko, sobrang kumbaga na in love talaga ako kasi it's a true story. Naabangan ko rin yung ganun, and I can relate to from being someone na sobrang salat sa buhay, nangarap, and nag-OFW, nagbaka sakali sa ibang bansa, and now pursuing her greatest dream to become a Miss Universe. It's very emotional na panoorin yung ganun kasi si Rochelle Hoco, I can sense na hindi siya madamot and mabuti siyang tao. She's someone na kumbaga if you will support her, marami talagang ma-influence and mabibiyayaan kasi yun naman talaga yung everyday life niya, yung pag-vlog, paggawa ng content. It's really good vibes lang talaga, and makikita mo din talaga yung kanyang love for the family and how she look back sa kanyang pinanggalingan. And this woman is really a testament na yung buhay na kinamulatan mo, it will never define who you will become in the future. Kasi makikita naman natin kung paano niya nilakbay yung journey na yon, and sobrang nakakatuwa lang and sobrang nakaka-proud as a fan.